Hello everyone. So in this video I'm going to explain how to construct tangents to a circle from a point outside the circle. Okay, in my previous video you have learned how to construct tangent when the point is on the circle. Now we are going to learn how to construct tangent when point is outside the circle with the help of the example. Draw a circle with radius 4.1 centimeter. Construct tangents to the circle from a point at a distance 7.3 centimeter from the center. So first we'll draw one circle of radius 4.1 centimeter. So this is the ruler. Take the radius equal to 4.1. So I'm taking here 4.1 with the help of ruler and compass. With the help of ruler and compass, I have taken the distance equal to 4.1. Why? Because in the question it is given radius 4.1. Now I'll keep the still point of the compass on one place and I will draw the circle 4.1 of radius 4.1. Okay. So this is the center of the circle. Okay. Now what is the next thing? Next thing is construct tangent to the circle from a point at a distance 7.3 from the center. Now this is the center. Suppose O is the center of the circle. Okay. Now we'll have to take the point outside the circle. We'll have to take the point outside the circle which is 7.3 centimeter from the center. So this is the ruler. So from ruler we'll take the distance equal to 7.3. From center we'll take the distance equal to 7.3. So here it is 7.3 because it is given in the question. 7.3. Okay. So this I will give the name P. This distance is 7.3. This distance is 7.3. Now I am going to join center and the point. I am going to join center and the point. Anywhere you can take 7.3. Okay. So this is 7.3 and then after that you will join this 7.3 centimeter. Okay. Now we'll take the compass. We'll take the compass and we'll draw the perpendicular bisector of OP. We'll draw the perpendicular bisector of OP. We'll keep the still point of the compass on P. Take the radius more than half. Draw the arc. Take the radius more than half. Draw the arc up. Draw the arc down. Keep same distance and keep the still point of the compass on center, that is O, and intersect the previous arc. Intersect the previous arc. You can extend it. If it is not intersecting, you can extend. Okay. Now you will be having 2 points. So this is the one point and this is the another. We are going to join this. We are going to join this. So this will be your point or perpendicular bisector. So I will draw the perpendicular here. Here identical mark because it is perpendicular bisector. Now we will give some name to this point. Let this point be M. You can give any name. So let this point be M. After that, what we are going to do? We will take the distance equal to this intersecting point where the perpendicular is there. No, that point you will take and center you will take. Okay, point you will take and center you will take. And after that you are going to draw the arc on the circle. Same distance you are going to draw on the circle. This distance you are going to take, this perpendicular point and center, and draw the arc on the circle. So these are the 2 points. So this is the one point and this one is the another point. Okay, I'll give the name here R and here I will give the name S. Okay, here R and here I'll give the name S. Now what I am going to do? I am going to join this arc and the outside point. R and the outside point. Okay, and P and this outside point. P and outside point. So this is very much clear. From this construction, when the point is outside, we can draw two tangents. We can draw two tangents. RP or PR is the one tangent and PS is the another tangent. Touches the circle at one point, touches the circle at one point. Means when the point is outside the circle, then we can draw two tangent. Thank you.